Dramatic pictures that came in this morning ever since there was high security right outside the Okhla residence of Aam Aadmi Party MLA and leader Amanatullah Khan as the teams from the ED, as they claim, reached his residence early this morning to conduct searches. Now, quite some time that had gone by as far as the ED, when it gained entry into his residence as they were stopped outside. The Aam Aadmi Party leader and MLA Amanatullah Khan, in a video that he shortly released on social media, claimed that there are false allegations leveled against him and central agencies are being misused. He says that he is innocent, citing also when it comes to his family members at his place, citing also that he soon may be arrested on part of the enforcement directorate which has come to conduct raids.
और ईडी वाले मेरे घर पे सर्च वारंट के नाम पर मुझे अरेस्ट करने के लिए आए हैं। मेरी मदर इन लॉ, उनको कैंसर है, अभी 4 दिन पहले उनका ऑपरेशन हुआ है, वो भी मेरे घर पर हैं और मैंने इनको लिखा भी था और हर नोटिस का जवाब मैंने इनको दिया है। जब ये मुझे नोटिस कर रहे हैं तो सर्च वारंट के नाम पर सिर्फ इनका मकसद मुझे गिरफ्तार करना है, हमारे कामों को रोकना है। पिछले 2 साल से मुस्तकिल ये लोग मुझे परेशान कर रहे हैं, फर्जी मुकदमात लगा रहे हैं, आए दिन कोई ना कोई उलझन परेशानी खड़ी कर रहे हैं और मुझे ही नहीं, मेरी पूरी पार्टी को। मुख्यमंत्री जी जेल के अंदर हैं, अभी मुख्यमंत्री जेल से आए हैं, संजय सिंह जेल से आए हैं और सत्येंद्र जैन जेल में हैं और अब ये मुझे गिरफ्तार करना चाहते हैं। सिर्फ इनका मकसद है कि हम लोगों को तोड़ना और हमारी पार्टी को तोड़ना।
As far as the BJP is concerned, reaction coming in from their side, being in the opposition, slamming the Aam Aadmi Party and asking its own leaders to come out clean.
आम आदमी पार्टी में एक लंबी जमात अपराधियों और भ्रष्टाचारियों की है और जब उन पर कानून कार्रवाई करता है तो ये चिल्लाने लगते हैं। दिल्ली वक्फ बोर्ड जैसी संस्था में भ्रष्टाचार करने वाले, गबन करने वाले अमानतुल्लाह खान, जो गाहे बगाए अपनी गुंडई के लिए चर्चा में भी रहते हैं, आज जब जांच एजेंसी अपनी कार्रवाई कर रही है तो अब देखिए चारों तरफ हो हल्ला। अरे अगर आपने चोरी की है, अपराध किया है तो आपको उसका जवाब देना पड़ेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि इस देश में कानून का शासन है और कानून मियां सबके लिए बराबर है।
आम आदमी पार्टी टोटल का टोटल अपराधियों से घिरा हुआ है, जिसका मुख्यमंत्री जेल में कोई पैसा घोटाला, कोई आर्म्स घोटाला, कोई रंगबाजी में। इसलिए कोई व्यक्ति कानून से बड़ा नहीं होता है। अगर अमानतुल्लाह को, वहाँ के विधायक को, अगर उसके ऊपर कोई चार्ज है तो कोर्ट में उसका फैसला होगा।
अमानतुल्लाह खान जी के खिलाफ बहुत ही संगीन आरोप हैं। जब वो वक्फ बोर्ड के अध्यक्ष थे तो उन्होंने अवैध तरीके से लोगों को नौकरियों में भर्ती किया। उन्होंने वो पैसा जो वक्फ बोर्ड के लिए, जो समाज के जन कल्याण के लिए लगना था, उस पैसे का गमन करा, उस पैसे का मिसयूज करा। सीबीआई उनके खिलाफ जांच कर रही थी। ईडी ने जो आज उनके यहाँ पर रेड करी है वो एक जायज लीगल स्टेप है।
और मजाक चल रहा है देश के अंदर। किसी के घर पे चले जाओ, किसी के घर छापा मार दो, किसी के घर आरोप लगा दो। बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की उल्टी गिनती शुरू हो गई है। देश के लोगों ने अब तय कर रखा है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को विदा करना है और दिल्ली के लोग भी देख रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से जो है आम आदमी पार्टी के पीछे ये लोग पड़े हुए और अपनी शक्तियों का दुरुपयोग कर रहे हैं और दिल्ली के लोग इसका जवाब देंगे। ठीक है,
मामले में आगे क्या मतलब आप लोग वही कदम उठाएंगे, कानूनी या कोर्ट में जाएंगे?
अब देखिए, कोर्ट के अंदर तो बड़ी समस्या ये हो गई है कि लोअर कोर्ट तो अब फैसले कर ही नहीं पाते हैं। ये तो बार बार सुप्रीम कोर्ट कह रहा है कि लोअर कोर्ट ना जमानत दे पाते हैं, ना फैसले कर पा रहे हैं, ना हाई कोर्ट के लेवल पे फैसले हो पा रहे हैं, जमानत हो पा रही है। हर चीज़ के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाना पड़ता है। अब आज हम जाएंगे भी तो लोअर कोर्ट जाएंगे, फिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएं, फिर हाई कोर्ट जाएंगे, फिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएंगे, कई महीने बीत जाते हैं। इसी चीज़ का फ़ायदा जो है केंद्र की एजेंसियां उठा रही हैं कि आप किसी को भी जो है भेड़ बकरी समझ के बंद कर दो। जब तक वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक जाएगा तब तक 6 महीने 8 महीने बीत जाएंगे। 8 महीने तो उसको अंदर रख लिया, 8 महीने तो आपने उसकी राजनीति खराब कर दी, 8 महीने तो उसका क्षेत्र आपने खराब कर दिया। ये चल रहा है।
एक मामला जो है वो आपके खिलाफ भी आया, अब एसीबी जांच करेगी उस मामले की, हेल्थ से संबंधित मामला है, सदन जैन और आपके खिलाफ मामला।
All right, the live reaction coming on part of the Aam Aadmi Party claiming that this is nothing but political vendetta. Priyank and Bhavtosh both joining us right now. Priyank, it's been several hours now ever since the ED team reached Amanatullah Khan's residence. They were not allowed entry. What is happening right now? If you can give us a live update.
It's been almost 5 hours since the Enforcement Directorate officials reached here at the residence of Amanatullah Khan, and it took them approximately 2 hours to enter in the premises. By 8:30, we got to know that they have finally managed to enter when the Delhi police team reached here. At this location, where you can see that the MLA's residence is situated, who is the MLA from Okhla constituency. He was last seen in the video, which is being released by their party workers and their family members. He was sitting along with his mother-in-law, who he says that has been in the cancer patient, and she was supposed to be once again taken to the doctor's appointment. But the Enforcement Directorate officials were last seen sitting in the living area where they have been trying to dig out questions. In counter to that, there was a high-level drama which started unfolding early in the morning, where the series of videos started coming in, which also had a reaction of Aam Aadmi Party's MLA Amanatullah Khan, who's rarely seen whenever the officials from any of the probe agency has come here. We have seen ACB, we have seen CBI, and we have also seen the Enforcement Directorate officers reaching out to the door of Aam Aadmi Party's MLA. But I don't know what triggered him that he did not allow the ED officials initially to enter the premises. Now the fact is that he's been questioned. His statement is yet to be recorded. There have been basic questions which is being sought to him. This case, as you know, pertains to irregularities and the recruitment scam which happened at the Delhi Waqf Board. Since Amanatullah Khan was heading the Delhi Waqf Board, the Delhi ACB was also probing this case. And since the case falls under the predicate office, the Enforcement Directorate also started probing in on the basis of the diary which was taken by the ACB officials from the residence of one of his close aide, Lalan, alias Kausar, who also had an illegal weapon with him. During the searches, these things were found, and now the Enforcement Directorate is questioning him. It is quite clear that the ED wanted to question him in detail. He was summoned to join the investigation. Counter to that, he said that he can be available on 22nd of this month because he has to take care of his ailing mother-in-law. But at this moment, what we have been observing since morning is a movement of Delhi police team and the CAPF personnel who have been deployed on duty. Neither the ED officials have come out, nor Amanat has come out personally, apart from the videos which he has been releasing so far.
All right, let's take that question to Bhavtosh as well. Bhavtosh, on part of the Enforcement Directorate, is it confirmed that these are searches that seems to be happening on part of Amanatullah Khan as he has been seeking for more time to join with the investigation?
Well, these are searches. That's what they have said, that there were 2 predicate offences, and as Priyank rightly said, that on basis of those 2 predicate offences, they had registered an ECR. Now, what prompted them to go inside and carry out these searches, or whether they have filed a new money laundering case? Remember, ED is a secondary agency on their own. They cannot initiate any probe. But as of now, these are searches. Now, these searches, or whether what ED is doing falls under the ambit of Section 50 of PMLA. There has been a lot of consternation about Section 50 of PMLA because there have been several PIL that have been filed in the Supreme Court saying that ED should not carry out these kinds of searches. That's a different matter. But high drama happened in the morning when Amanatullah Khan posted these videos and claiming that ED has come to arrest him. You have an ED official who has said that he is within his rights to, in fact, go inside his house, and then he has said that he has a 3-room apartment, and why you are inside. Apart from that, what ED has done in past 18 to 19 months is that they have gone through the case file of both CBI as well as ACB. They claim that properties which were in fact have been purchased were in the name of Benamis properties. They are Benami properties purchased by people who are allegedly close to Amanatullah Khan, and the value of these properties are anywhere between 32 crores to 50 crores. Now, that is one part of the offence under which he has been probed. The other offence which he is being probed is how Waqf Board properties have been sublet, illegally rented out. That was initially investigated by ACB. Since ACB does not have resources to investigate these charges, then these charges, the case files were given to the Enforcement Directorate.
All right, Priyank, on part of as far as the investigation is also concerned, of course, quite dramatic pictures were seen. Many in the Aam Aadmi Party quickly came out and posted videos. Of course, the Aam Aadmi Party also doing a press briefing, crying and claiming that this is political vendetta, and soon Amanatullah Khan would be arrested on part of the central agency.
Yeah, that always happens, Amrita, because whenever any office bearer or any MLA or MP of Aam Aadmi Party is being questioned, since morning they start, the party come up with a strategy that they say that he has been arrested. I'll show you the visual first and we'll describe what is politically happening. Since the time Amanatullah Khan posted this particular information on social media platform X, that his house has been raided by the ED officials, there was bombardment of statements which started coming out from the top leadership, including Sanjay Singh himself, who is out on bail. Now the fact is that since the ED officials have been here and the movement is also being monitored by the Delhi police team, there's a heavy movement of people. So this vehicle is coming out. Amita, I would like you to stay on this story, because this is an Enforcement Directorate vehicle which has slightly moved towards the main entrance, which clearly implies that there could be some movement of officials or Amanatullah.
Keep an eye out, Priyank, on all the developments in the movement that is taking place outside the residence of Amanatullah Khan. ED vehicle, as what is being suggested by Priyank, has just come in. The searches that has been taking place for quite some time now. Thank you very much all the moment for Bhavtosh also for joining in. Let's quickly move